Alright guys, I'm just going to do a quick screen cap video for you all on Patreon. I just woke up, so I look like a mess. My sleep schedule has been completely absurd. But we're just going to talk a little bit about what's going on here. So again guys, the way that I'm approaching this is of course an accumulation process. For those of you wondering, I am using Coinbase to accumulate. So guys, this is an accumulation process, right? We have a position at 4,200, and now we have a position at 3,700. Of course, I wasn't awake for this dip to 3,400, but I'm really not too concerned about it because I do think we are going to see lower prices. But of course, guys, this could be the bottom. We don't know what the bottom's actually going to be, right? So we're taking measures to make sure that where the bottom is put in, we have positions. Okay. So it's an accumulation process. We have two positions now. You shouldn't have more than 20%, guys. No more than 20% of your accumulation capital. If you are following my strategy, no more than 20% of your accumulation capital should be in the market in this area, right? So we're right now it's a low risk situation. We have two small positions in the market. You should have at least 80% of your capital ready to go. At least 80% of your capital ready to go, at least, right? So again, guys, we're looking at the parabolic lows of 2017. Some people are asking, Kevin, why would you put out an alert at 3,700? There's no historical support here, and that's correct, guys. There is really no historical support at this level. But again, we're at one of the parabolic lows. So I think it's worth just taking a small position here just in case, guys. We've had such a strong downswing so fast. I think it's worth taking a position here just in case, right? Now again, I do expect lower prices, right? So again, like I say in all my alerts, expect these positions to be in the red for a significant period of time, right? And that's why we're only going in with a small amount up here. So guys, my buy target is of course $2,500. We don't know if this is going to be the bottom. The bottom could be $1,000 or less. We don't know, right? We have no idea. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to have no more, probably less than 50% of my capital in the market by the time we hit 2,500. And when we get to that point, right? This is the 2,500 mark. When we get to this point, then I'm going to make the decision on what to do. Right? I'm taking positions here just because, we don't know, guys. It's so unpredictable. We don't know what's going to happen. So we have a couple positions here, small positions. We should have more than majority of our capital ready to go so that when we do hit the bottom, guys, when we do hit the bottom, we can make back that, quote unquote lost money really quickly, right? On the way up. We can take our positions, take larger positions here, and we'll be profiting immediately on the first swing to the upside, right? That's why we're keeping the position small up here. And when we get lower, we're going to increase, right? We're going to see how much support comes in at 2,500. If we even get to 2,500, right? Of course, the price, guys, could go lower. We could go lower. We could hit 1,000 or less. We have no idea. So I don't want to have more than 50% of my capital, probably even less by the time we hit 2,500. I'm going to wait to see what the market does. And of course, the bottom could be here. That's why we're buying as well, accumulating rather. But guys, again, we're going to see what happens. We're taking it slow. We're not rushing into this. We're gonna be smart about this. Again, we have the position that we took last night, or that I took last night rather. Again, guys, everything you see on Patreon is what I'm doing, not what you should do. The position that I took last night is up a little bit from where I got in. Of course, I'm expecting it to be in the red, guys. I'm expecting to see lower prices, but again, we're just making sure we're at least, getting some positions in here just in case we see some upside. And at the very least, if we do see some upside, it'll at least, act as a trade, right? We have, these two positions in the market. It'll at least act as a trade if we do get some upside. So yeah, guys, I hope all is well. I know it's scary. Buying it at these levels is scary. I mean, you should be kind of scared because the prices are probably going to go lower. And a lot of people aren't really used to this strategy where they're basically purposely losing money. They're purposely putting their money in the market, knowing that it's going to go down, right? But it's all part of the strategy, guys. Again, you should never invest more money than you can lose, guys. Especially in Bitcoin. Especially in Bitcoin, guys. Never invest more than you can lose. I'm sure you guys all understand that. The volatility in this market is just absurd, guys. Okay, so you don't want to invest more than you can lose. That should be obvious, right? You're taking the risks here. It's not my job to make sure you don't lose money. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, guys. So be smart. Be smart out there. From a linear perspective, it looks like 2,500 is going to be the bare minimum. This could be the bottom, guys. We don't know. That's why we're taking positions. Anyway, guys, I kind of rambled on a little bit. Just hang in there, guys. We'll see what happens. We'll see what the bottom turns out to be. And I wish you guys all the best. I might be going live if we do get a dump here. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Thank you all. I will see you soon.